Hi everyone, it's Bob from Greybeard Models. Welcome back to the channel. So what I thought I'd do, we've had quite a busy year. I think we've had 13 models we've built over the year, which for me is actually quite a lot. There's been some big projects. If you've been following me on the channel, you'll see that we've done some really quite interesting pieces, and they've been quite involved, so they've taken a bit of time. But rather than me sort of waffling on and all the rest of it, I thought what I'd do is do a quick slideshow and have a look at what we've done this year, and hopefully you'll like it. If you're new to the channel and you're just watching, stick around, have a look at some of the pictures of the models we've completed, and I think you'll like them. If you do, obviously like and subscribe. Anyway, if I don't speak to you before then, have a happy Christmas and a great new year, and we'll probably catch up. Might get another video out, I don't know. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe if you like what you've seen. See you later. Bye for now.